please stand for our prayer. In the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. So, please arrange your chair and please pick a piece of paper under your chair. Arrange them properly. Thank you. You may now be seated. Before we start our class, let me remind of our class rules, which is the word shine. So anyone here remember our class rules? So, shine means first is the letter S. Stands for show yourself.
Show yourself.
Next is letter H. H stands for help others.
Help others.
Next is letter I. I stands for involve yourself. No, that's not I love you. Next is letter
N.
N stands for never give up. E and last letter E, express yourself.
Express.
Are we clear for our rules?
Yes.
So I will check the attendance. Apahada,
Present.
Pahadan,
Present.
Parangan, very good. There is no absent today.
So class, before we start our lesson properly, let us first have our energizer so that we will be energized in our whole discussion. So class, are you familiar with the energizer called Group Yourselves?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, since you are familiar with Group Yourselves, I will now repeat or recap the rules so that our energizer will flow smoothly. So for example, when I say group yourselves according to your age, you will find your group mates in this entire classroom and then you will group yourselves according to your age. Are we now clear, class?
Yes.
So I will give you 5 seconds and then you will find your group mates in this entire classroom. Okay class, are we now clear?
Yes.
So first, I want you to group yourselves according to your favorite color. Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time stop. Okay. Do you have your group mates now?
Yes.
Yes. So, Royan and Hazel, can you share me your favorite colors?
So our favorite color is violet.
Wow, violet. So pretty. How about you, Harriet?
Pink, ma'am.
Oh, that's pink. So now, let us have our second and last energizer. Group yourselves according to your sex. Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys? Okay, class? Time stops now. So, do you have your group mates now?
Yes.
Yes. So, Royan, oh, you're the only boy here in the entire classroom. So, you do not have any group mates. Meanwhile, Hazel and Brilliant are both female. That is why they have their own group. See how quickly you group yourselves, class?
Yes.
So, that is similar to what we will learn today, and that is grouping objects into sets. As a quick review, class, what do we call a group of related objects? Yes, Marianne? Collection, ma'am. Yes, very good, collection. And we have another word for collection, and that is, yes, Royan?
Group, ma'am.
Excellent. So, group or collection. Today, we will learn how mathematics organizes groups in a clear way through sets. Before we begin our lesson, let me read to you first the objectives of our lessons. So, at the end of the lesson, students or you should be able to first analyze real-life collections to determine if they form well-defined sets. The second one, construct sets using the roster and set builder notation. Third one, evaluate and justify the type of given sets using logical reasoning. And for the last objective, you should be able to value the importance of clarity and objectivity when classifying information. Now that you have learned our learning objectives, we will now go into our lesson proper. So, we'll first discuss what is a set. So, can you please read this with me? We will read this together, okay, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, go.
Set is a well-defined collection of objects called elements that share common characteristics. A set is a collection of different things. Objects inside a set are called elements.
So, what do we call the objects inside the group of sets? Yes, Hazel.
Elements, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Elements. So, according to our definition, set is a well-defined collection of objects that share common characteristics. So, when we say common characteristics, for example, I have this. Is this a set or not? Set.
Set.
Yes. So, this is a set because this picture shares common characteristics since they are shapes. Clear?
Yes.
So, although they are different shapes, for example, this is triangle, this is pentagon, trapezoid. This is also considered a set because despite their differences in their sides, they all share common characteristics, which is shapes. Are we now clear?
Yes.
So what do you call these shapes according to the definition?
Set.
The one is element. Very good. So element. So are we now clear, class?
Yes.
Start. Now that you have learned the definition of sets, I have prepared two pictures for you to identify if these pictures can be considered as well-defined sets or not. So they are well-defined if they share common characteristics again, and they are not well-defined if they do not share common characteristics. They are different to each other. You get me, class?
Yes.
So the first picture is
A flower.
Flower, yes. A beautiful lotus flower. So my question for you, class, is, can this beautiful lotus flower be considered a set? A well-defined set? Yes, Royan?
Ma'am, for me, ma'am, no, ma'am, because ma'am, isama lang na siya, ma'am, pag hindi man sa collection, with a flower ka mo.
Yes, very good. So this flower alone cannot be considered a set kaya isa lang siya. Kaya based sa definition, collection of objects. Ibig sabihin, plural and damo dapat ang sulod para makonsider mo siya ang set. So we have another reason please why we can consider this a set. So anyone? Yes, Rian?
Kaya ang flower, ma'am, beautiful na siya, ma'am. Then, the bagay sasabi ng ma'am is, may opinion, ma'am. So, para sa ma'am, beautiful ang flower. Then, hindi na maging set kay, beautiful na siya.
Yes, so very good, Rian. So for our second picture, we have this tall kid. So, same question. Can this be considered a set? Anyone, class? Yes, Hazel?
No, ma'am, because isa lang siya pag ang set is a collection. So, boy is not considered a set.
Yes, very good. So, clap your hands to Hazel. Yes. So, another reason is that, as I have said sa lutos kagina, layo-layo ang definition sa tol. Kung nasa mga standards, mahabal ikaw na ang amuni nga bata is putol para sa imo, while sa mga gamay is nataasan sila sa bata. So, are you now clear, class?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So now that you have learned the definition and the real-life applications of sets, we will move to the two ways of writing sets. So, the first one is the
Roser notation
and set builder notation. So, are you familiar with these two, class?
Yes.
No. So that is why we are going to tackle and explain them. So, when we they say roster notation, it is a way of writing a set by listing all its elements inside curly braces, separated by commas. For example, open braces, 1, then comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, and 4, and then the last one will be the close braces. So, are we now clear, class?
Yes.
So, for this roster notation, if the clue here is listing all its elements. So, all the elements should be listed inside the braces, separated by commas. So, class, you will have an activity and assignment later. So, please, don't forget to write curly braces, open and close. Because if you do not have those braces, your answers will be considered incorrect. Are we now clear, class?
Yes.
So another examples for you, class, so that you can understand our lessons better. Set A, so this example and these are similar, so I will now proceed to set B. So this can be read as set B consists of a set of apple, banana, and mango. So why is this considered a set? Yes?
Hay mga fruits sila, ma'am.
Yes, they are fruits. And for this, set C consists of an element of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So, do these numbers here inside the curly braces shares common characteristics?
Yes.
Why? Yes, Isel?
They're all even numbers.
Yes, they are all even numbers from 2 to 10. Okay, now are we clear, class?
Yes.
So I have here few more examples, class. And the first one who will get to answer these pictures correctly will receive 1 ball pen each. Are you now all excited?
Yes.
Yes.
What?
So you have only 5 seconds to guess the answers. Okay, so first, which of these 4 pictures do not belong to the group? And please explain why. Yes, Royan.
Ma'am, ang hindi belong sa group, ma'am, is ang Mobile Legends.
Mobile Legends.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ay, ang Mobile Legends, ma'am, is ang modern game na sa ma'am, while ang tatlo na nabilin is traditional game, ma'am.
Yes, so very good. Ang tatlo man is traditional Filipino games nga nag-share sa common characteristic. Isang una sila. And ang ari is na left out kay subungan mo ni ang sikat. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so this is your reward, Royan. Congratulations. And next, for our second example, before we will proceed to the set builder notation. Same question, class. Are you now ready?
Yes.
So go. Yes, sir, yes. Which do not belong to the group?
Ang
And why?
Disneyland, ma'am.
This Hong Kong Disneyland. Why?
Kaya sa Hong Kong siya, ma'am, doon ang nagbilin, ma'am, is nakita mo sa Philippines.
Yes, very good. So this is your word. So now that you have learned the roster notation, we will now proceed to the set builder notation.
Another way of writing set is the set builder notation. So what is set builder notation? So set builder notation describe a set by giving a rule or condition that is elements must satisfy. So can you give me, class, the clue words about this set builder notation? Anyone? Yes, Angelica.
So sa set builder notation, so we have the rule or the condition na binasunod natin na dapat masatisfy sa elements.
Very good. So here in set builder notation, may aral kita example. So the first example is set A is an element of X such that X is an even number less than 10. So ang even number nga may less than 10 is, yes?
2, 4, 6, and 8, sir.
Very good. So another example naman is set A is an element of x such that x is a whole number from 1 to 5. So class, can you give me the answer? What is the whole number from 1 to 5? Yes? Yes, Angelica?
Ang whole number from 1 to 5, sir, are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, very good. Very good. So the second, so next is set B is an element of x such that x is a fruit that starts with a vowel. So can you give me a fruit that starts with a vowel? Yes, Hazel?
A fruit, sir, that starts with a vowel letter is apple, orange, and avocado.
Very good. So next is set C. Since we already discussed it there, so let's proceed for our class activity. So your task is to decide whether well-defined sets ba na ini or hindi. So if well-defined sets ini nga kag magamit kita sa roster notation and set builder notation. So if not, ano ang hindi belong sa group? Start now. So for number 2, same direction. So 5 minutes done, pass your paper na. Thank you, class. Now that we are done in our topic, now I will give you your individual activity. So write it in crosswise and start it now. Done? 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 So pass your papers here at front. So thank you, class. For your homework activity, copy this in your math notebook and be sure to pass it tomorrow so we will discuss your answer.
To summarize the lessons that we have discussed today, we define what is a well-defined set and 2 ways of writing sets, which are roster notation and set builder notation. Before we end our class, can you share your takeaways from our lesson? Angelica.
So I have learned, ma'am, the importance of clarity because in the set building notation, we are giving a rule or a condition. So that is why we need to be clear and that we have to be objective when classifying the sets to the non-sets. And lastly, we have to think outside the box and that we have really to use our logical reasoning for this topic.
Very good, Angelica. Clap your hands to Angelica. I hope you have learned something from me. And that ends our class. Thank you for listening and participating. Goodbye, class!
Thank you and goodbye, ma'am.